Question 1. Choose the correct synonym of the word abate. A. Increase. B. Lessen. C. Strengthen. D. Intensify. The correct answer is B. Lessen. Question 2. Choose the correct antonym of candid. A. Frank. B. Honest. C. Secretive. D. Open. The correct answer is C. Secretive. Consider the following expression. A. On. B. For. C. To. D. With. The correct answer is A. On. Question 4. Choose the correctly spelt word. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. The correct answer is C. Accommodation. Question 5. Identify the correct passive voice. They are repairing the bridge. A. The bridge has been repaired. B. The bridge is being repaired. C. The bridge was being repaired. D. The bridge will be repaired. The correct answer is B. The bridge is being repaired. Question 6. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am tired. A. He said that he was tired. B. He said that I am tired. C. He said that he is tired. D. He says that he was tired. The correct answer is A. He said that he was tired. Question 7. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom at 6s and 7s. A. Very angry. B. In confusion. C. Very happy. D. In danger. The correct answer is B. In confusion. Consider the following expression. A. Had. B. Has. C. Did. D. Was. The correct answer is A. Had. Question 9. Choose the correct one-word substitution. A person who speaks many languages. A. Bilingual. B. Linguist. C. Polyglot. D. Translator. The correct answer is C. Polyglot. Question 10. Identify the part of speech of the underlined word. He spoke very softly. A. Noun. B. Verb. C. Adjective. D. Adverb. The correct answer is D. Adverb. Question 11. Choose the correct sentence. A. He is senior than me. B. He is senior to me. C. He is senior from me. D. He is senior of me. The correct answer is B. He is senior to me. Question 12. Choose the antonym of obsolete. A. Outdated. B. Ancient. C. Modern. D. Old. The correct answer is C. Modern. Consider the following expression. A. In. B. At. C. On. D. With. The correct answer is B. At. Question 14. Choose the correct spelling. A. Pronunciation. B. Pronunciation. C. Pronunciation. D. Pronunciation. The correct answer is B. Pronunciation. Question 15. Choose the correct passive voice. Someone has stolen my wallet. A. My wallet has been stolen. B. My wallet is stolen. C. My wallet was stolen. D. My wallet had stolen. The correct answer is A. My wallet has been stolen. Question 16. Choose the correct synonym of meticulous. A. Careless. B. Careful. C. Lazy. D. Quick. The correct answer is B. Careful. Consider the following expression. A. And. B. But. C. Or. D. So. The correct answer is B. But. Question 18. Choose the correct indirect speech. She said, "Do you like coffee?" A. She asked if I liked coffee. B. She asked, "Do I like coffee?" C. She asked that I liked coffee. D. She said if I like coffee. The correct answer is A. She asked if I liked coffee. Question 19. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom, to hit the nail on the head. A. To hurt someone. B. To do carpentry. C. To say exactly the right thing. D. To miss the point. The correct answer is C. To say exactly the right thing. Question 20. Choose the correct one-word substitution, a speech delivered without preparation. A. Manuscript. B. Extempore. C. Monologue. D. Dialogue. The correct answer is B. Extempore. Question 21. Identify the correct sentence. A. Neither of the boys were present. B. Neither of the boys was present. C. Neither of the boy were present. D. Neither boys were present. The correct answer is B. Neither of the boys was present. Question 22. Choose the antonym of scarce. A. Rare. B. Limited. C. Plentiful. D. Few. The correct answer is C. Plentiful. Consider the following expression. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. By. The correct answer is B. On. Question 24. Choose the correct spelling. A. Desperate. B. Desperate. C. Desperate. D. Desperate. The correct answer is C. Desperate. Question 25. Choose the correct voice. People speak English all over the world. A. English is spoken all over the world. B. English was spoken all over the world. C. English has spoken all over the world. D. English speaks all over the world. The correct answer is A. English is spoken all over the world. Question 26. Choose the synonym of eloquent. A. Silent. B. Fluent. C. Rude. D. Weak. The correct answer is B. Fluent. Consider the following expression. A. From. B. To. C. By. D. For. The correct answer is A. From. Question 28. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I will help you. A. He said that he would help me. B. He said that he will help me. C. He says that he would help me. D. He told that he will help me. The correct answer is A. He said that he would help me. Question 29. Choose the meaning of the idiom, once in a blue moon. A. Often. B. Rarely. C. Always. D. Never. The correct answer is B. Rarely. Question 30. Choose the correct one-word substitution, a place where books are kept. A. Archive. B. Library. C. Laboratory. D. Auditorium. The correct answer is B. Library. Question 31. Choose the correct sentence. A. Each of the players have a bat. B. Each of the players has a bat. C. Each player have a bat. D. Each players has a bat. The correct answer is B. Each of the players has a bat. Question 32. Choose the antonym of benevolent. A. Kind. B. Generous. C. Cruel. D. Helpful. The correct answer is C. Cruel. Consider the following expression. A. Since. B. For. C. From. D. By. The correct answer is A. Since. Question 34. Choose the correct spelling. A. Occasion. B. Occasion. C. Occasion. D. Occasion. The correct answer is B. Occasion. Question 35. Choose the correct passive voice. The committee will announce the result. A. The result will be announced by the committee. B. The result is announced. C. The result has announced. D. The result was announcing. The correct answer is A. The result will be announced by the committee. Question 36. Choose the synonym of ubiquitous. A. Rare. B. Everywhere. C. Nowhere. D. Limited. The correct answer is B. Everywhere. Consider the following expression. A. Of. B. From. C. With. D. Buy. The correct answer is A. Off. Question 38. Choose the correct indirect speech. She said, I have finished my work. A. She said that she had finished her work. B. She said that she has finished her work. C. She says that she had finished her work. D. She told that she finished her work. The correct answer is A. She said that she had finished her work. Question 39. Choose the meaning of the idiom, spill the beans. A. To waste food. B. To reveal a secret. C. To cook beans. D. To make a mess. The correct answer is B. To reveal a secret. Question 40. Choose the correct one-word substitution, one who looks on the bright side of things. A. Pessimist. B. Optimist. C. Realist. D. Egoist. The correct answer is B. Optimist. Question 41. Choose the correct sentence. A. The news are very shocking. B. The news is very shocking. C. The news were very shocking. D. The news have very shocking. The correct answer is B. The news is very shocking. Question 42. Choose the antonym of transparent. A. Clear. B. Visible. C. Opaque. D. Bright. The correct answer is C. Opaque. Consider the following expression. A. By. B. With. C. In. D. Through. The correct answer is A. By. Question 44. Choose the correct spelling. A. Relevant. B. Relevant. C. Relevant. D. Relevant. The correct answer is B. Relevant. Question 45. Choose the correct passive voice. They were painting the house. A. The house was being painted. B. The house has been painted. C. The house is painted. D. The house will be painted. The correct answer is A. The house was being painted. Question 46. Choose the synonym of amiable. A. Friendly. B. Angry. C. Sad. D. Rude. The correct answer is A. Friendly. Consider the following expression. A. With. B. To. C. By. D. For. The correct answer is B. To. Question 48. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, don't make a noise. A. He told me not to make a noise. B. He said me not make a noise. C. He asked me don't make a noise. D. He told that not make a noise. The correct answer is A. He told me not to make a noise. Question 49. Choose the meaning of the idiom, burn the midnight oil. A. Waste oil. B. Study late at night. C. Sleep early. D. Work in the morning. The correct answer is B. Study late at night. Question 50. Choose the correct one-word substitution. A person who hates mankind. A. Philanthropist. B. Misanthrope. C. Introvert. D. Pessimist. The correct answer is B. Misanthrope. Question 51. Choose the correct sentence. A. One of my friend lives here. B. One of my friends live here. C. One of my friends lives here. D. One of my friend live here. The correct answer is C. One of my friends lives here.